Floor to ceiling windows, floor to ceiling natural stone. This is a Vulcan honed stone, all in a master bathroom. We're on site with Paterson Project Management, and we're going to be going through the process of perfection and what it takes to achieve that luxury home. Have you ever seen frameless doors when you see a perfectly finished drywall and then matching right into the drywall is the same exact level of having a door? Sometimes it's a touch panel will pop out, other times it has different European mechanisms. Well, right here, we're at the start of what a frameless door will look like. You'll see that they have the metal framing that goes around, a little bit of a beveled edge, where the next step, they're gonna be plastering over to have it match. They filled the gap that you saw before, and they finished it with drywall, where the next phase, they're gonna be smoothing it out. This is where all the European hinges, everything is concealed, you don't see anything, which ultimately gets to that perfect finish, where everything from wall over the door is flush. Often when you see the floor installation, you'll see contractors install baseboards. Rather than having baseboards in a modern home, it's so important to have that seamless feel, but minimalism. Riglets offer you that minimalistic look where you'll see there's a gap between the floor and the bottom part of the drywall. Anywhere where you see water, from bathrooms, laundry room, utility closets, they installed this stone base so that way obviously more of the drywall is being protected in these types of settings. But you'll see through the process, they run the drywall, they smooth it out. Right now it's in the rough stage where it'll be perfectly flush with the stone. Talking about level 5 finishes. How do you level water with a hard surface? Well, here we're talking about the zero edge line on this pool system, where you can ultimately see the hard surface running straight into the water. Right next to me, we have the aluminum coping panels, where these have been engineered to withstand the weight and the durability to be able to overlap the edge of the pool and giving it about a 1-inch gap, so that way it looks like the pool surface, as far as the decking, runs right into the water, and vice versa, the water right into the deck. This homeowner, they selected a limestone product where the product was a little bit too thin, so that's why they needed to have these engineered panels to be able to install perfectly, so that way there won't be any breakage, corrosion, or anything that will obstruct or destroy any of the panels itself. So here, when all of this is done, you're gonna see a seamless pool deck running at the same level of the water of the pool. Imagine that. That's gonna be absolutely stunning, and that's how you achieve that perfect luxury home. As we go through this home and we cover all of the different details and elements that go into the process of perfection to make sure that every single installation that goes into this home builds and creates that ultimate luxury lifestyle. When you walk through the home, some of these finishes aren't necessarily noticeable on the first turn, but as you go through, you feel it, you touch it, and you sense the level of perfection and ultimately what this home is. This is a work of art. We go through this in so many different stages, but we want to know what you want to see next. So comment below, like this video, make sure you subscribe. Can't wait to show you next time.